In this video, we can talk about top 5 Phrase.io alternatives and competitors. Welcome back to our Alternatives Code channel. Today, we have an excellent lineup for you as we dive into the best alternatives to Phrase.io. Get ready to supercharge your writing game and explore the power of the top 5 alternatives of Phrase.io, including Ritter, Writer, ProWritingAid, Simplified, and EasyPeasy.ai. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, this video will equip you with the tools to revolutionize your content strategy. So grab a notepad as we start exploring the alternatives and the features. The first alternative is Ritter. Ritter is an excellent AI writing tool that combines the power of AI with human creativity and offers a collaborative writing environment where you can seamlessly work with AI-generated content and enhance it with your own unique touch. It offers features like SEO's Analyzer, text editing, and video channel descriptions. It empowers you to create high-quality, tailor-made content that resonates with your audience. And one of its standout features is its content expansion capability, allowing you to generate additional variations of your original copy. Moving on to our second alternative, we have Writer. Writer is an exceptional AI writing assistant that's trained on the B2B data and allows you to fine-tune your content generation process. It offers features like grammar checks, readability scores, spelling error detection, and sentence complexity analysis. Whether you need content optimization, grammar and spelling checks, or style suggestions, Writer has got you covered. It comes with an exclusive standout feature, which is its unparalleled ability to generate engaging and coherent text, saving you time and effort while ensuring high-quality content creation. Moving on to the third alternative, we have ProWritingAid. More than just a copy AI tool, ProWritingAid helps writers ensure consistency with industry-specific jargon and stylistic preferences. It offers exclusive features like data visualization, custom dictionary, tone detection, and plagiarism checker. ProWritingAid goes beyond basic grammar correction, providing detailed insights and suggestions to improve the clarity, coherence, and overall quality of your writing. Its standout feature lies in the integration with popular writing platforms, making it an indispensable tool for writers across various domains. Our fourth alternative is Simplified. Designed to streamline your copywriting process, Simplified offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies complex writing tasks. It offers key features like AI content rewriter, AI blog writer, and hashtag generator. It provides customizable templates and frameworks that guide you through the creation of persuasive copy. One of the standout features of Simplified is its AI-powered sentiment analysis, enabling you to create emotionally resonant copy that captures the attention and interest of your target audience. Last but not least, we have EasyPeasy. As the name suggests, EasyPeasy is all about simplicity and efficiency that offers a user-friendly platform and allows you to effortlessly create captivating copy. It offers features like style and tone adaptation, content generation, customizable templates, and plagiarism checker. With its intuitive interface and AI-powered suggestions, EasyPeasy provides a seamless writing experience. EasyPeasy's standout feature is its advanced readability analysis, ensuring your copy is clear, concise, and easily understandable by your readers. Compared to Phrase.io, Ritter offers versatile content generation across various formats and puts emphasis on AI-generated writing. Writer offers comprehensive content optimization features with real-time suggestions and is more focused on grammar and style checking. ProWritingAid is primarily a grammar and style checking tool that offers in-depth analysis reports on writing strengths and weaknesses. Simplified focuses on simplifying complex sentences and improving readability and offers time-saving features and templates for common writing tasks. Lastly, EasyPeasy emphasizes grammar and spell checking with user-friendly interface and tracks writing statistics. Among the 5 alternatives mentioned, we would ProWritingAid as the best alternative to Phrase.io. ProWritingAid stands out for its focus on grammar and style checking. It provides detailed analysis reports that offer insights into writing strengths and weaknesses, allowing you to refine your writing style over time. ProWritingAid's emphasis on grammar and style make. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored a diverse range of content optimization options, but remember, the journey doesn't end here. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.